Hello everyone, this is Chad Trader, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about OnPassive, what it offers you, and what are some of the benefits of becoming an OnPassive founder. So OnPassive provides you with value, and it's really extreme value. It has everything that you're looking at here in its ecosystem or its product base. All of these different things and actually more is going to be included once we launch to the world. And the one that I've highlighted here is guaranteed targeted visitors. And to me, that's one of the main staples and something that's going to set OnPassive apart, because no matter what business you're in online, you need customers and you need targeted visitors come to you. So I'm going to go through some of the things that it provides, and we're going to go through it in alphabetical order. So OnPassive has its own advertisement, which is going to drive business and attract customers to you. It's also going to brand your business for you. Another one is OnPassive has its own proprietary artificial intelligence. Everything that OnPassive, all of the IT products and things that are there in artificial intelligence, is stuff that was built from the ground up by OnPassive's own engineers and programmers. It's the backbone of OnPassive's automated system and what ties everything together. You have a calendar schedule which integrates everything in the platform into one place where it makes it better for you to organize things. OnPassive is going to have its own global chat communication platform that's going to allow you to have a multinational team and be able to stay in contact with them. OnPassive's contact manager is something that fits all the businesses. It's got an emphasis on building customer relations. It integrates the social platform information. It makes you be smarter at collaborating on your efforts. It has deeper customer insights and different things like that are built into it. It increases your productivity, and it's going to reduce your expenditures. Another aspect in OnPassive is the crowdfunding, which is a platform for joining forces to fund charities or projects. Doesn't have to be a charity, but anything that allows you to do it in the back office of OnPassive. You get a daily funnel. Now, what does that mean? That's a new funnel every day that's branded to you, that's not going to be copied to millions and other ones. It's going to be specifically done for you and for your business. You get digital marketing. Now, that's something that's different, but it's the power, using that power of the proprietary AI, and that brings everything together to make your digital advertising work more efficiently. You get a domain name. That's going to be one of the first things that you're going to need. This domain name is something that you're going to choose. It's going to be branded to you. OnPassive services are going to brand your business for you. So email marketing and using the power of the AI to do that. This is going to have you be able to run campaigns to build your brand and build your customers. Flexible wallets. So within the back office of OnPassive, you're going to have the ability to use crypto, fiat, bank cards in all the different countries in the world. We're in 212 countries right now. It's going to be flexible and portable. You better use it on any of your devices. So you get a give back fund, which is a voluntary fund for giving to charitable contributions. You're going to have that built in, and it's always better to give than to receive, right? It gives you a better feeling. The GoFounders is the community of OnPassive founders. That will become the founder zone in OnPassive after launch. Okay, here's where we're going. We're going to touch on it here again. Guaranteed targeted visitors. This means that this is targeted visitors bringing people who are interested in whatever you're selling to your website or your market. It's going to increase that for your website. You get an IP tracker tool. Now this one here is something that's out there right now that all the AIs that are working on, it does that, and it tracks your potential customers, improves your website, it gives you better lead generation, and your return on investment increases, and the data comes in is flexible. You can do many different things with it. You get liquid hosting. So what exactly does that mean? So liquid hosting is a website layout and hosting that automatically adjusts your screen resolution, whether you flip it. If you've been on your phone, you can flip it sideways. Everything adjusts real good. Something else that's part of the OnPassive system. So you get all of these things, you know, in live events and webinars, video hosting, hosted emails, you know, all of these different things are going to be included in OnPassive. And OnPassive has its own marketplace. So that's a single place for you to access and purchase all of your IT commodities and services that are offered through OnPassive. You get mass mailing, right? So what does that mean? That's the ability to send, you know, emails to a large group in a single mailing. This is something that's very expensive if anybody's involved with this. I've done it and everything. It gets higher and higher the more that you do. That's going to be included in the place. Now you've got multiple business management. So inside of OnPassive, they're building in the ability to run multiple businesses, everything that you need to run payroll, to run your back office, to run, you know, different things like SAP, all of your different functions that are out there are going to be available within OnPassive. Office abroad means you're going to have global leaders that are going to be strategically placed around the world so that OnPassive has representation in every country, every major city where we have already have founders, because we got over 260,000 as of the time of this recording. All right, you got OnPassive Connect Me, or OConnect as it's another way we're going to be calling it. And what it's going to do is going to be similar to the different video platforms and things that are out there now, but it's promised to have more features and be unlimited and be much more affordable. You get payment transfers. So that means you're going to have the ability to do OnPassive funding both internally and externally globally. This is going to be huge for people who are international right now, and you're wanting to pay for services that are international and you're trying to figure out how to do the taxes and everything. You're going to be able to move money through OnPassive, and then wherever people pull it out, they will take care of their own taxes. Okay. Then you get the power of print. So you also have its own print shop, and it's going to give you all the tools and marketing materials that you need to do your business. Now, what else is going to be in the power of the OnPassive system, right? OnPassive is not only just a system, it is everything that you've seen in the ecosystem, but it is also a movement. It is a bunch of people that are coming together that are, you know, set on changing the way the world works in business, but also making sure that everybody is being successful and making money. So what OnPassive offers you is extreme value. So what are some of the benefits of becoming a founder? So the GoFounder position, it gives you priority placement. So you're put into the company pay structure by the date and time of joining. Okay, it gives you an exclusive pre-launch and future marketing to build your team. So OnPassive's technology is going to be working to build your business for you. And it'll build an OnPassive business or another business. So you can do multiple businesses. It has priority access to the GoFounders website. That allows you to do it while we're in pre-launch. You can build your team, work on that, promote on it, and then it's also going to have some exclusive access to the Founder Zone after launch. Now the cost is simple. Right now, we are still in pre-soft launch, so that means that the cost is a one-time fee of $97. Once soft launch begins in the near future, that price is going to increase to a one-time fee of $149. And that's for testing and beta testing and testing payment systems and whatever. All right, then the founder position is going to close forever at the end of the soft launch and when we go into hard launch. So what else does it give you, right? So OnPassive, everything in OnPassive's ecosystem is included in the membership. The membership fee will be revealed after launch and only in the back office of OnPassive. The cost is promised it's going to be affordable, and the value of the services, they far exceed anything that's on the market today. So OnPassive is the only company that I know of, that I've ever heard of, that is guaranteeing people that they're going to be successful, meaning you're going to make money. And it is scalable. That's something else that you can do. OnPassive has got a revolutionary comp plan or compensation plan that's going to provide for any income level that you desire. It's scalable. You can take it to as high as you want. It is designed that it's going to reward people, so that those that want to work, you're going to get compensated according to that work and that effort that you put in. Those who are 100% passive are going to build, but they're going to build at a slower rate. Everyone who participates wins. That's one of the things I love about this. You don't even have to be a founder. If for some reason you have some kind of misgivings about getting involved early, that's fine. Wait till launch. You're still going to be successful as long as you participate. Now here is the GoFounder rate that, as you can see, through October here is 250,000 since the inception in 2018, and you can see how the growth is going, and it's just staying on that climb, and that is in pre-launch before any of the products have even been revealed. So I want to thank you for taking the time today. If you have any questions, you could refer back to the person who showed you this video. If you came across this video through one of my sources, you can reach me at the bottom of the video through YouTube and send me an email or anything like that. I'm on Facebook too. Anyway, have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed this informational video.